Good morning, world, and all who inhabit it. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, but when you're watching this, I'll be at Coachella. Oh, the thought. So close, I can taste it, but we just have to get through today. This vlog today is gonna be really fun because it's like all my Coachella prep. I'm gonna be showing you packing, what I'm bringing, my essentials, and I'm gonna show you my clothes, going through my closet. I'm selling a bunch of clothes on Poshmark, and I know a lot of you have been like asking for this for a long time. I remember like when I first moved here, I was like, these pants are too big now. Like, would you guys want to buy these? And a lot of people were like, you should make a Poshmark. So I did. I'll talk about that later. But I am listing a bunch of clothes on Poshmark. So that's really exciting. I am partnering with them for this video. So shout out to Poshmark because they're amazing and I'm really excited. So this morning, I woke up at 7:30 and snoozed my alarm until 7:50, and now I'm up and I'm gonna make some lemon water. I have a nail appointment at 10. Where does time go? I swear when you like look at social media, you kind of just go through this time warp and suddenly it's like 2025. There it is. My immune system is gonna be put to the freaking test this weekend. I haven't been sick in over a year, like I've mentioned before. I think it's largely due to my healthy lifestyle shift. I do a lot of immune boosting kind of things in my daily routine like this. It's very, very, very impossible to leave Coachella without getting sick. So this might be the first time I'm getting sick in a year, but we'll see. We're gonna try our best to combat that. My avocado toast, my everything but the bagel seasoning. Someone tagged me on Twitter in a picture of some girl who like took a picture holding this in her nails. She covered in everything but the bagel seasoning. And she was like, this is you. And I was like, I gladly accept that nomination. Throw on an egg. Oh, hot. Ooh. Yum. This is literally turned into like my collagen cabinet. Step one for Coachella packing is I'm going to bring some of the individual packets of collagen peptides. Collagen is a supplement I use every single day. I've talked about it in the videos before. If you're unfamiliar, so I'm gonna be gone 4 days. So I'll bring 4 packets to put in my coffee. Then I don't have to miss it. They also have to-go packs of the creamer, so maybe I'll bring 1 of the creamer. Now it is time to commission my suitcase. My shoes are a mess all over here. Okay, this is my suitcase I'm bringing. First, I gotta take out the other suitcases. And it's a Russian doll. Does anyone else just keep bags inside of their bags? Okay, this is the carry-on backpack I usually use. My makeup bag, an EpiPen trainer. Just girly things. Maybe this packing thing might help me actually. I have a lot of like small things for Coachella, so packing and organizing with little bags is going to be important. These are all my accessories that I have to organize, not even all of them. I have things that I like got in case I want to use them, but I don't know if they're gonna end up in my outfit. Like look at these really cool like branch bobby pin things. They're silver and gold ones. I tried to think of every last detail I might need. Like I got fashion tape, I got some gems, I got some clear hair elastics. I need to change to get ready to go to my nail appointment, but I just wanted to show you what we're kind of working with. So we got this. My clothes are still in my closet, and when I get back from my appointment, then I'll go through my closet and pick out my clothes and show you guys what I'm selling on Poshmark. Now I have my suitcase out. That's the step 1. No, I'm bringing my Doc Martens. I'm wearing these for 2 out of the 3 days, but I have not worn those since like high school, maybe freshman year of college. I did decide that I'm gonna wear these sandals on day 3. I've been trying not to spoil too much my outfits, not that anyone really cares, but I think it's fun to like see them as a surprise on like Instagram and stuff. So, but this vlog's gonna be up on Sunday while I'm there. So you're gonna have already seen most of them. So I'm not really spoiling anything. If you wanna see what they look like and how everything turned out, then you definitely want to follow my Instagram at Kristee Better. There's probably tons of pictures up right now as I speak. Just thinking about that in just a couple days. I think I'm gonna bring Birkenstocks just for like lounging and walking around in Palm Springs and stuff. Guys, nostalgia moment. I put up on my Poshmark account when I posted a bunch of my items last night, and as soon as I put it up, literally in 10 minutes someone bought it, and I didn't think that anyone was gonna find my account until I like talked about it on my vlog. And so I was so surprised that someone bought it already. And this, you guys, I wore to Coachella 3 years ago, and it's so pretty. And I hope they take good care of it. It's like too big for me now, so. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed and go get my nails done. They need it. I think I'm gonna get acrylics for the first time since I was like 15. There's a nice fountain. Okay, it took longer than they said it would, and it cost more than they said it would, but I do like how they turned out. Let's get it in the sun. Got white acrylics, almond shape with like nude stars on the ring finger. Okay, you can't really see outside. I'll show you inside. I like literally feel like I'm gonna break them today. They don't feel like how do people do things with them? But yeah, super fun. I love white nails, so. Here's a better look at my nails. I got almond shape with little like nude stars on the ring finger. They don't feel like that strong. I want to go through my closet a little bit and show you what I'm bringing and what I am selling on Poshmark. And it's kind of like spring cleaning time, so this is the perfect time for me to sell some of my clothes and like make some room. This is my day one outfit. I did show this in a vlog where I talked about maybe wearing this, but I wasn't sure, but I've decided to wear it. It's a black bodysuit with a lace bodice underneath, if you can't really see, and then a floor length lace black dress. These are both from Shein, and I'm so excited to wear them with my Doc Martens. I showed this in a vlog too. This is a maxi skirt I got from Showpo, and I'm wearing this with Free People Adela bralette in white. So this is my day 3 outfit. And I'm gonna be wearing it with those sandals. For my day 2 outfit, I'm wearing these black denim shorts. These are from Cotton On, and I'm gonna wear this bodysuit that I got from Honey Bum, bodysuit with these cutouts on the side. So I'm gonna wear this with the black shorts and my Doc Martens again. It's so cute and so flattering, but it's not adjustable. Like, the length is the length, and I'm not a tall person at all, and this like rides up like no other, and it's like, it just feels like too short almost. And so it could be uncomfortable if I'm wearing it for a long period of time. So I'm thinking like after I'm there for a little bit, if it's uncomfortable, I could either unbutton this, or this is small so it'll fit in my bag. I am gonna bring this tank top to, if I like can't do the whole bodysuit after a while, I'm gonna wear this gold like crop top from Urban. Definitely go like follow my closet if you want to see this and things I'm posting in the future too, because I'm gonna keep like selling things. If you're not familiar with Poshmark, it's like an online marketplace where you can buy and sell your clothes. You can download the app for free. In the description box below I'll have a link so you can download it and then follow me, and I'll just show you like on the screen right now what my closet looks like. But I didn't like announce that I was making it or anything. I just wanted to put the items up before I told you about it in my vlog, and I already got like so many people following me and sharing my posts, and like people are buying things already. So not even just like if you want to shop my closet, but if you're interested in selling your own clothes, like there are so many people on Poshmark looking for things on there, like sharing things, and it's pretty easy to sell your things. This is what my closet looks like on Poshmark and in real life. Look at that. The things I'm selling are in good shape. I didn't want to be like selling ratty things or things I think people would want. Too big for me now after I've lost weight, and I said a while ago that I wanted to do this, and I think it's so helpful. Like, this is a really nice romper and I wish I could wear it now. It's just too big. And I'm selling things like nicer things, but like right now it's like dresses, rompers. I have this romper which I'm in love with. It's this really nice quality like skirt romper from Urban. Everything on there is a size large. So that was like when I was a size 12-ish for reference. This really cute romper up. Like, I never even wore this once, honestly. I was going to wear it to a Vegas trip and then I got sick and I couldn't go. So I have not worn it, but it's so cute. Selling this like fake leather skater skirt from Urban. I have this dress on here, which is from a boutique. The brand is Flying Tomato, which I love that brand. And it's like an off the shoulder, so pretty. The detail on it, like flowy dress. This dress from Toby, which is honestly one of my favorites. Like, I'm really sad that it doesn't fit me anymore because it is so freaking cute. It's got like mesh on it and the pattern's so cool and it's so comfortable and flattering. You can find things from like Nike, Adidas. I was looking for NMDs on there, which people sell like new things that they just didn't wear. Really good quality stuff, designer stuff, Louis Vuitton. I don't know if anyone caught that, but I tried to say Vuitton, like really fancy. Louis Vuitton, I'm not fancy. I don't own anything from Louis Vuitton, so I should just say Vuitton. If you guys make a closet on Poshmark and you want to look at my stuff or anything, or just to make it in general, to shop other people's closets, definitely comment your handle down below so we can follow each other other and like see what we're finding. If you do buy something from my Poshmark closet, I won't be shipping out until I get back from Coachella, so it might be a few days. Oh, actually this is going up on Sunday, so it'll be in a couple days, but just be patient with me and I'll get it out as soon as I can. Don't forget to click that link and download it below. Continuing with this whole packing closet situation, the next thing I do is pull out my plain outfit. So for the plain tomorrow, I'm gonna wear this cropped camo hoodie from Shein. I think I'm gonna wear my seamless black leggings with it. I think that'd be cute. There's like my travel day outfits. This is actually more organized than I usually am, because usually when I go on trips, I don't have outfits picked out so specifically, but because this is Coachella, I literally like planned these months ago. So festival essentials slash just fun accessories I got for the weekend. So they're kind of all over the place here. I need to organize them better to pack them. Wristband, it's in there somewhere. Imagine I forgot this, that would be tragic. And my shuttle pass. Like, this is just for festivals in general, or in life this might be useful for you. This is a collapsible water bottle, so you literally roll it up. I think it's half a liter. It won't take up space in your bag when it's empty. They have water refill stations all over the festival. I'm sure you've seen like the whole bandana thing. People wear bandanas around their mouth at the end of the night because everyone walking at the same time kicks up so much dust and you inhale so much and it's awful. So I got these on Amazon. I got these like masks that you can wear. They look like surgical masks. This one's so creepy, but like I low-key love it. It's just like a creepy smile. I got a pack of 5 and I got a lot of the stuff on Amazon, and I'll try and remember to put these things on my Amazon page so it's easy if you guys want to find them to buy them for yourself. I bought all these like myself, none of these are sponsored. My Amazon page is always linked in the description of my video. It's just a page where I have all of my favorite products or things that I mention in my videos linked for you guys. So there's different patterns. I think this one's my favorite. It's like this little like like half smile thing. They're not all like creepy teeth though. And this one's cute. It's just like a little teddy bear. These will be fun and functional. A pack of Q-tips. I'm honestly not really an accessories person. If you've ever noticed, I legit never wear any jewelry, like not even stud earrings. I don't like jewelry. I don't like the feel of it. I don't know, it's just not my thing. One day some guy's gonna propose to me and I'm gonna have to be like, dude, like, do I have to wear that ring every day? I do like wearing a lot of accessories for Coachella. I think it's fun. It's kind of like playing dress up because I never wear them otherwise. I think these are Amazon also, and they're bobby pins that have branches on them. So really pretty. I got a pack of 100 different size clear elastic. On the first day, I'm doing a half bun with the rest of it down. Guys, legitimately, I got this on Amazon and I was pulling it out of the packaging and it broke. It was cheap, but like, I was like, really? And it came with 2 of them, a silver and a gold, and the silver is the one I was planning on using, and of course it's the one that broke. So it's kind of like a hair tie clasped into it, so I'm thinking I could pull this out and put a different one in probably. Basically it's a little bun cuff, so it's just this silver cuff, which I'm gonna put it around my half bun. A little thing of rose gold glitter. It's just glitter with circles and stars. You can't really see very well, but I'm sure you'll see the pictures. And I got these on Etsy from a store called Judy and Madeline, I think. I wore this in a photo shoot I did that you might have seen on Instagram. It's just this star choker in gold. I think they have silver too, but it's so pretty. It was not even that expensive. It was like $8 maybe. I was initially planning to wear this head chain. It's the exact same. That's why I made this order, was because of the head chain, and it's just this really simple gold star head chain, and it's really cute. But when I tried it on with the outfit and everything, I just didn't love it. I don't think it's very me. You'll see, you'll know now. You'll know before I know right now, because it's day 2 I was planning to wear this. So if you see these in the picture, let me know. A bunch of little cheap gold rings to like throw on my fingers. This belt I got at Nordstrom Rack. Black belt with gold in the middle, so this is gonna go with my bodysuit and black shorts on day 2. This is such an essential. I learned this from my recruitment advisor. In my sorority, my senior year, I was the chief recruitment officer, and I worked really closely with our like recruitment advisor, who was an alumni, who is the advisor if you're not familiar with sorority structures. Yeah. And she introduced me to New Skin liquid bandage spray, because we were wearing heels all day in recruitment. I got blisters, of course. It's a lot of pain. And she was like, here, spray this on it. And it is so painful if you're spraying it on like an open wound, but once it dries, you can't feel it. Like, it literally is like a second skin, and it's like spray band-aid, so you can put like wear shoes and you won't even feel your blister because it's like covered, so it's not rubbing against your skin anymore. So it's worth the brief moment of pain, and you can use it to prevent blisters too. I was just too late. But if you're gonna wear shoes where you know it kind of rubbed your foot in a certain spot, I would totally recommend before you put them on, spray your foot with this in that part, prevent the blisters. So this is going to probably save lives at Coachella with all the walking we're gonna do. And also from Showpo, when I got the skirt, I got this body chain, which I'm going to be wearing with my day 3 outfit, the bralette and the skirt. Gold one, and it has a little like rhinestone in the middle. I hope this is like actually entertaining or helpful or just fun to watch. I don't know. I think like festival accessories are just so fun. I'm not too sure how I feel about the whole face gem thing. I got some just in case I end up doing it. It's a 4-pack, but this particular one is the literal reason I ordered from it. So it's like this. I don't know if I like it straight across. I might like spread them out more on my face. And then it also came with these, which I'm not crazy about, but it just came with them, and I figured my friends could use them if they want. Guys, you guys are gonna laugh at me. I'm literally laughing at me. This is like the most extra thing I've ever done, and I'm not an extra person at all. I'm not this type of person, but I saw this and I could not resist because it's so, so beautiful. I got a gold crown. Can we just talk about? I know this is so over the top, but I honestly love it. Branchy kind of crown. I think it's made for brides. Like, I literally think they came with a note that says, "Thank you and congratulations. May we wish the most important event in your life will be the happiest and unforgettable." Yes, me dancing to Eminem on day 3 will be the happiest and unforgettable. When else am I gonna wear that? On my wedding day? Heck, I'm not even gonna be wearing a ring apparently. Is the flash tattoos. I know they're pretty basic, and like literally 4 years ago when I went to Coachella we did this, but I did get freckle ones. I just think they're so cute. I saw a makeup look that had like gold freckles. I got the Mr. Kate beauty mark. So this is literally the brand of flash tats I got at my first Coachella 4 years ago. So this has a bunch of silver and gold freckle tattoos. So I got a pack of the cosmic ones, which are just like galaxy themed stars. Milky. Honestly, I don't care if these are like so 2014 and so overdone. Like, I love flash tattoos. Okay, so that was my like accessories tour basically. I didn't get this all at once. I've honestly been like slowly planning things for the last couple months and getting things here and there. And the next thing as far as packing is bringing the first aid kit, gotta break it out. Some band-aids, trauma pad, I'll probably need that. Kind of packed most of the jewelry and accessories into the little box where the crown came in because I want to keep it, you know, protected. Got all of my like toiletry kind of random stuff packed into this little bag, and one outfit on each side of this. One outfit in here. Day 3 outfit. And my day 2 and day 1 outfit. That's probably good on my packing for now. I'm about to leave for class, and by some miracle, I'm pretty much all packed. I just haven't packed my makeup yet, but I can do that tonight. So in case I don't vlog anything else, because this pretty much wraps up what I wanted to talk about in this vlog. It was just like a little pack with me, what I'm bringing to Coachella. Yeah, make sure you're following me on all my social media. I know I keep saying it, but like Coachella pictures are so much fun to look at. So I'm just really excited to share everything with you guys. And don't forget to click the link to download Poshmark for free and follow my closet and everything if you want to buy any of my items. So let me know which one of the 3 outfits was your favorite. Yeah, I think my favorite one is day 3. The like white bralette and the skirt and the fucking crown. I will see you when I'm on my way bright and early, literally like at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning to fly to California. Bye guys, love you.